We have some breaking news out of the cruise industry today. Norwegian Cruise Line has pulled back the curtain on its newest, largest, and most illuminating ship yet, the Norwegian Aura. Before we get into the details, be sure to contact the Vacationeer for exclusive rates, onboard credit, group cruises, and more. These are discounts you cannot find when booking directly with the cruise line. So reach out today to see what you're missing and secure the best value in cruising. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and take a look at the brand new NCL Aura. Coming in at 169,000 gross tons and over 1,100 feet long, the Aura isn't just a ship, it's a massive evolution. This is about the size of the Breakaway Plus class ships, the Joy, the Bliss, and the Encore that so many people love. She's officially 10% larger than her sister ships, the Aqua and the Luna, and she's bringing some world-first thrills to the high seas. When Norwegian launched Prima and Viva, they were some of my favorite ships, but as being first ships in the class, there's always a little bit of evolution to be had. I had the privilege of being on board Aqua during the launch, and I have to say that was a big evolution from both Prima and Viva. So looking at a 10% larger ship, this is going to be an even bigger evolution, and I believe this is going to be the best version of the Prima class. The heart of the ship is Ocean Heights. This is a brand new multi-generational activities complex spanning 4 decks at the top of the ship. It's designed to transform from a sun-drenched playground by day into a vibrant neon-lit hub by night. And if you like water slides, get ready. The Aura will feature the most slides of any NCL ship. We're talking about Eclipse Racers, NCL's first ever dueling mat racer slides. You can go head to head for 400 feet of tubular turns. For the real adrenaline junkies, there's the Aura Freefall, plus a massive 82-foot ropes course, a rock climbing wall, and a carnival style midway for the kids and the kids at heart. This is a great evolution to what they had on Prima and Viva with the Speedway and with the launched water slide on board Aqua and Luna. The evolution of this space is great, but I think having the option of having these ships with the Speedway and then with the launched water slide, you have a choice that will work for any family. And of course, what would an NCL ship be without talking about the Haven? The Aura will feature the most suites in the entire NCL fleet, including incredible duplex suites that look to be similar to what they released on Luna and Aqua. Of course, these Haven suites will come with the private Haven areas as well, similar to the other ships in the class, with that private Haven sun deck, the restaurant, the lounge, and those amazing Haven bartenders. But the ship is only half the story, and when the Norwegian Aura begins her Caribbean sailings out of Miami in 2027, she'll be heading to one of 2 of NCL's private island destinations: Harvest Key, their resort-style destination in Belize, or Great Stirrup Key, which is currently undergoing a massive transformation. Opening this winter is the Great Life Lagoon. This is a sprawling 1.4-acre pool area that's larger than 2 Olympic pools combined. It features a beach-style entry, swim-up bars for the adults, and Splash Harbor, a dedicated splash pad for the little ones. And the island is only getting bigger. In 2026, NCL will debut the nearly 6-acre Great Tides water park. This is going to be a game changer for NCL. It will feature 19 water slides, including the Tidal Tower, and for the first time in the industry, cliffside jumps into the water. These are some of the slides I'm most excited for. There's even a nearly 800-foot lazy river for those who just want to drift through paradise. For me, it's going to be jumping off those cliffs into the water and hitting the lazy river with a drink afterwards. And for those seeking an exclusive vibe, the new Vibes Shore Club is now open on the island, offering an adults-only retreat with private cabanas and a private bar right on the sand. Although it's not super flashy, I do have to point out I love their brand new pier. For those who have visited Great Stirrup Key before, you will remember you used to have to tender. That is no more. Now the ship just pulls up to the pier, creating a seamless transition from ship to sand. Not only does this make the experience that much easier for everyone, for people like me who have family members with accessibility needs, this is a huge win. Norwegian Aura sets sail in May 2027 with bookings open right now. So, which are you more excited for, the ship or the new water park on the island? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cruise news and ship reveals. And if you're looking to book that next cruise, reach out to the Vacationeer.